Hi vlog, we're
Hey
going
guys, this is my
camping.
first time, you know.
We're going
Don't
camping.
really have I need a script, mate.
We need a script.
Oh well, I guess.
So
it's not scripted.
this is officially the first hot weekend that we are getting this 2025. It's every weekend, guys. It's been freaking raining every motherfucking weekend.
The acidity of the government making the rain it happen every weekend.
So
My Lord, mate.
when we noticed that the weather's gonna be good this weekend, we were like, you know what? We're going camping.
And you know what? I'm buying a gold detector.
We have a gold detector with us, and we're gonna scan the whole motherfucking earth and unearth some gold, hopefully.
Big 60 kilo nugget. If I find that, I'm sleeping
So
on that.
now, guys, we're driving through trees. Black Spur Drive, probably, hopefully. I'll show you guys. This is what we believe to be Black Spur Drive. Our GPS is not working, so we can't confirm, but I think this is it. Is this it?
I don't know.
We have Bingo and Luna behind us, guys. They're so excited, guys. And hopefully we have enough memory to record everything. Otherwise, what's the point? Yeah, what's the point? Shout out to the doggies behind us. Shout out. And my handsome husband driving for... I actually drove and I was like, give him a shot, you know. I shouldn't be the only one having fun. See you later, alligator.
Don't forget your toilet paper.
Stop over. We're stopping over Blackspur Roadhouse. What are you getting?
What coffee you guys like?
Right, guys, finally found the campsite and we'll be setting up our tent there, and we have a spot for fire. And there's Luna and Bingo. Come here, come. Hi. Just finished setting up. So here's our little tent. Hi. Hi, Matthew.
Hey.
Matthew.
Hold on. I'm just gonna...
That's our tent. We have 2 camp chairs for us, 1 camp chair for the dogs, whoever wanna sit there. It's mostly for Bingo. 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 It's Luna. And I have my beach toy here, which I'm gonna use to collect twigs and some wood for fire. And we have this all to ourselves. Wow. Stripping. It's a bit hot today. Hi. We're gonna be picking up some rubbish. See, this is what people leave. So we always bring plastic bags with us, and we're gonna pick up shit people left behind. One more time. Good girl. It's 8 p.m. and we finally had our dinner. We're about to give Bingo and Luna their food. So Matt's making the fire stronger now since it's getting darker. Nice.
Piece of shit.
Nice.
Stupid wood keep walking off the fire. It's almost like the log grew legs and went.
And now we can chill.
Have to set up a light soon.
Yeah, we're gonna set up the light soon before it gets dark.
Yep.
Yeah, we're running out of water, guys.
Clean up. Don't need water, just burn the shit out of it. That'll clean it.
Uh-huh.
As long as it's hot enough, it'll work.
You've forgotten their dinner. Of course, he has to do it because I'm just sitting here, you know. I'm a princess.
Lazy.
What?
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 I said the dogs are lazy. They can't even get their own dinner. What? Huh?
Matt's making the dogs dinner. We have boiled chicken for them and dry kibbles. He probably don't know where the dry kibbles are. Matt's cabbage. It's got everything we need, but we forgot a lot of things. There's milk, bacon, eggs, and it had our chicken curry in there that I reheated, and we already had that for dinner. What are you looking for? It's there.
Yeah, I hit it. Yeah.
See, I told you guys, he doesn't know where it is.
Steal my dog food when I'm gone.
Okay.
Oh, $3 $50 if you eat that.
$50?
Real chicken.
Give me the money first.
I don't have $50.
So I'm not gonna do it, but if you showed me the money, I will. Okay, that's for the babies, for Bingo and Luna. They're hungry because they worked so hard today, running around, playing. Such a long day, you know? Such a long day. Yum yums. They're gonna have their yum yum soon.
Yep, just breaking it up so they don't eat it all at once and I can actually fucking taste the thing and not hoover it into there, because who's a hoover? You're a hoover. At least Bingo actually bloody tastes the fucking thing. You go. And then you're done.
Lies. Luna's thinking. Lies. Lies.
Lies, scam, I just want food. Speak. Speak. Oof. Speak. 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 Luna, speak. Speak, Luna. Speak. Good girl. Speak. 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 Woof. Woof. Shut up, Bingo. Fucking noisy cunt. Very rude. Come on.
There we go. They're gonna have their dinner now.
Bingo.
That's their water bowl. 8 p.m. This is what 8 p.m. looks like during summer. Now we're going to bed. And we have some LED lights there. It's just hooked onto a power bank. And I'm gonna call the dogs. Bedtime. Come on. Luna. Come on, Luna. Good girl. Good girl, puppy. Go to bed. Let's go to bed. Night, guys. Sleep well. Nom, nom, nom. Good night. See you tomorrow. We already... Wait. We already packed up. Speak.
Hey.
And we're getting ready to leave. We're just letting Bingo have extra run.
A little run because she's fat. No, she's not fat. Luna, come over here. Where's the ball?
Can you find the ball?
Bingo, where's the ball? Where? Under the...
Can you find the ball? Swiper, no swiping. Okay, we have the ball. Look at that, some shotgun shells. That's not from us. We don't have a shotgun. Whoa! Off you go. Can you find Matthew?
Peekaboo.
Let's drive back home. Bingo, inside.
Come on.
Hop.
Luna. Come on, Luna.
Luna never.
Come on, mate.
Luna never goes in the car willingly. She's so scared.
Come on. You're okay. Come on, Luna. It's okay, puppy. You have to get home, huh? You have to come home.
Rock.
Okay, puppy. Besides forgetting pretty important survival shit like food and cooking utensils.
We didn't have a pan. We didn't have tongs. We didn't have enough food. So, lesson learned for next time. Bye vlog. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Why are you watching?
I know.
What's interesting about this? But
Crazy, right?
thanks for watching.
Oh, where are you going?
Get out here, enjoy the wilderness.
But keep it
Till
fucking
next time. Yeah, keep it clean. Till next time, see you again.